Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could download and install the Microsoft Net Framework 4.5. So to begin, open your browser and type www.microsoft.com and hit enter. As a next step, click on the search bar and type Net Framework and type 4.5 and hit enter. Click on Download Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5 from official Microsoft. Select the language and click Download. As a next step, click on the download, open the download file, right-click on the software and click Run as Administrator. The user account control panel will appear and it will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can go ahead and click Yes, and the installation will begin for you. You will need to restart your computer after the installation is completed so that the changes takes effect. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.